Hey, so what I'm doing right now is the last of my kind of fluid checks, and I've already checked the rear drive. That wasn't complicated. You just take off the top nut, see if it's full up. If it's full to the lip, don't bother adding any more, unless it's time to cycle through and change it. I'm not changing any of the fluids yet until I get this through an MOT. Then I'm going to invest in a full service. But at the meantime, I've got problems with it running, so I'm just going through checking all the fluids. However, I want to do a quick video on checking the gearbox oil because it is different to most others. So all you need to do is take off this top bolt. You have to have the bike on the center stand and on level ground. It's a 8mm to get to this top nut. But once you take it off, you then have to use a dipstick to see do you have the correct amount of oil. Now, in the original K100 toolkit, there was a tool that had this gauge on the back of it. I believe it was the shock adjustment tool. However, I don't have the original toolkit. What I do have is the internet, and someone out there on eBay is 3D printing a specific tool to check this oil. Now, the way you do it is you literally just dunk it in and see, does it come up to the line? If it doesn't, add more. If it does, fine. If it's over the top, you need to drain off some. And this fits in flush with this top point here. And your oil should be at a depth of, I believe it's 11.5 centimeters to the top of the oil. So all you have to do is take this, dunk it in, bring it back out, and you'll see I am bang on the line as I just spill. And I'm bang on the line, and I'm just spilling oil now everywhere. So I don't actually have to do anything, which is fantastic. But if, like me, you have a K100, K75, don't have the original toolkit, and you need to make one of these, I tried initially a chopstick with a peg, a cross point at the right point so I could just drop it in. That worked okay, but it is just so much easier to go out and spend, I think it's like £3-4 and 3D print this. I'm sure on the Thingiverse you can 3D print one of these yourself at home if you have one. But that was just a quick one to show how to top up the gearbox oil, or how to measure the gearbox oil. So simple thing is center stand, flat ground, or if you haven't got your center stand, vertically, flat ground. Dunk this in, or the tool if you got it, or something that is 11.5 centimeters long. As soon as the tip at 11.5 is in the fluid, you're done. And that's it. All right, thanks very much for now. Cheers.